Most drivers think their cars die because they're too old. But here's the reality. Most cars die young because of small, avoidable habits. Today, we're counting down 7 secrets mechanics won't tell you that can help your car run smoothly well past 200,000 miles. Even up to 300,000. Stay with me till the end, because secret number 1 could literally double the life of your engine and save you thousands of dollars. Number 7. Drive smoothly, brake smartly. Harsh acceleration and sudden braking are silent killers. Every time you slam that gas pedal, you're stressing your engine, burning extra fuel, and wearing out your suspension and tires faster than you think. I once met a rideshare driver who hit 320,000 miles on a compact sedan just because he drove like he had eggs under the pedal. Smooth driving isn't just about safety, it's about longevity. Pro tip. Use gentle acceleration and coast to stops when possible. Over time, you'll spend less on repairs, gas, and tire replacements. Number 6. Change your cabin filter regularly. This one is overlooked by almost everyone. A dirty cabin filter makes your AC work twice as hard, and in hot climates, that stress can kill the blower motor, an expensive fix. I've seen people spend $400 plus on repairs that could have been prevented with a simple $20 filter change. Check your manual, but a safe bet is replacing it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or at least once a year. Not only will your car smell fresher, but you'll also keep your air system running efficiently. Number 5. Protect your paint and underbody. Your car's paint isn't just about looking shiny. It's a protective layer that shields your car from rust, corrosion, and road grime. Neglecting regular washes, especially in salty, coastal, or muddy areas, can eat through your paint and underbody faster than you realize. One truck I inspected had severe frame rust after 5 winters without a single underbody wash. Repairs cost more than the truck's value. Action step. Wash your car at least twice a month, and get a full underbody rinse during rainy or winter seasons. For extra protection, consider a yearly underbody coating to slow rust dramatically. Number 4. Don't ignore strange smells. Your car communicates with you, and sometimes, it's through smells. A burnt odor could mean overheated brakes or a slipping clutch. A sweet, syrupy smell? That's coolant, and possibly a leak. A rotten egg odor? Your catalytic converter may be failing. I had a client who ignored that coolant smell for weeks. By the time he came in, his head gasket was blown. A $2,000 plus repair. Trust your senses. If something smells off, get it checked before a minor fix becomes a financial nightmare. Number 3. Keep your battery and terminals clean. A dead car battery isn't always dead. More often, it's dirty terminals creating a weak connection. That white or green gunk you see? It's corrosion that blocks electricity flow. One of my friends almost replaced a perfectly good battery until we cleaned the terminals with a baking soda water mix and a wire brush. The battery lasted 2 more years. Cleaning your terminals takes 5 minutes every few months, and it's one of the easiest ways to avoid getting stranded and extend your battery life. Number 2. Use quality fuel and oil. What you feed your car determines how long it lasts. Cheap gas often contains impurities that clog injectors, while bargain oil breaks down faster, leaving your engine vulnerable. I've opened engines that ran synthetic oil and premium fuel, and they look nearly brand new at 200,000 miles. Meanwhile, engines run on cheap oil were full of sludge by 70,000 miles. Pro tip. Spend a little extra on high-quality oil and top-tier gas. It's the cheapest insurance you can buy for your engine's health. Number 1. Warm up before driving hard. Think of your engine like an athlete, it needs a warm-up. When you start your car, the oil is cold and sitting in the pan. If you hit the gas hard immediately, you're running your engine with minimal lubrication, and that damage adds up over the years. Take 30 to 60 seconds to let the oil circulate, especially on cold mornings. This tiny habit reduces engine wear significantly and can add tens of thousands of miles to your car's lifespan. By practicing these 7 simple habits, your car can outlive most people's expectations, saving you thousands in repairs and replacement costs. Now it's your turn. Which of these secrets are you already doing, and which one are you starting today? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more weekly tips on keeping your car in top shape. Thanks for watching.